How to create education flyer on Microsoft Word in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create education flyer easy and fast on Microsoft Word. So all what you have to do guys is go to Microsoft Word. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the flyers section right here. Click on flyers and now it will take you to this page as you can see right here. Now if you want educational flyers and for you or for your business, all what you have to do is go here in the category option and go down until you find the education right here. Search for education. Where is it? And here is it right here. Click on education, and as you can see, those are more professional education flyers. For example, this one, I love this one more. Click on here and you can change all this. You can change the text, everything right here can be changed. And as you can see, you can change the words, how to media, for example, HTML, and now change here how to media. You can change everything and change the date, and after you finish, just click save right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.